What's up, YouTube family and friends? This is Big J 916 once again coming at you with another video. Today I have my Xmaxx gears, and here's all the old bash gears. Here's all the new gears that's going in, and I just want to show y'all what I'm running. This first gear would be a 13 tooth pinion gear for the differential, and let me show you the price of him. $5.99. Okay, and show you why I'm replacing him, because he don't have much damage on him, but his teeth are a little thinned out, so he's being replaced. Second gear would be this ring gear differential 35 tooth, exactly ones that I'm running. There it is. And to install that, take out the 4 screws, and that should slide, that ring gear should slide out this way. And to install the old one, slide it back in, screw those 4 screws right back in, bam, you in. Third gear that I'm replacing is spur gear 50 tooth. There it is right there. Here's the old one. Bam. I'm replacing this one because it got some teeth missing. It's been bashed. It got to get out of there. To replace this, 3 screws. Slide right on out. Put that old one back in. Put them 3 screws in. Bam. And you're good. Here's my my pinion gear, 20 tooth mod 1. He's all good. I'm keeping him. I'll put some Loctite on that grub screw. Put him in so he won't come back out. This is what we got. I'm not going to show y'all the install video. Plenty of videos on that. Thank y'all for watching. I'm going to get my Xmaxx on the road. Get some footage. Y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching. Peace and love.